it's me again. So I want to help you in preparation for a new school year. You might be looking at your Google Classroom desktop and what to do with old classes, acquiring new classes, and so on. So the first thing I'll talk about is archiving a classroom versus deleting a classroom. So if you wanted to archive a class, archive it, you simply just click on the three little buttons or dots here, and then you will be prompted to archive. Once the class is archived, you can find it under the little hamburger symbol here on the left, and then scroll down to Archive Classes. Here is the class I just archived. If I want to restore it, I can restore it. I can also delete it. If you delete it, then it is permanent. You cannot retrieve any assignments, posts, etc. that you have in this classroom. Over here is another one that I have archived, but I do not have the option to delete this one because I am not the owner. You can only delete your classes. So I would steer away from deleting unless it's something that you are sure you'll never need to re-access again. Okay, now back to the classes. If you want to rename a classroom, you just click on the three dots, and then you can edit it. Moving is easy. You can just drag and move them in a new order. While you're naming your classes, you should use the year. This will help other teachers. If you were to transfer this class to another teacher, it would help them knowing which year it is. Also, when you're reusing a post, it's very, very useful to know the year. So I always add the date to mine. Okay, so let me show you how to reuse a post. So here is a classroom that I have. If I want to reuse a post, bottom right hand corner you click on the plus, and then you scroll up to reuse, and then you'll get a list of all your classes. You can even access an archived class. So I will access this archived class. If I want to reuse this leaf activity, I just click on it, reuse it, and then you can change some of the settings, the name, and so on. You can also change if each student receives a copy, if they can edit it, or if they can only view it. So these documents are documents that you have in your drive, and they are essentially in the same location. Now, if you're wanting to transfer ownership of a Google Classroom, then you click on your classroom, you go to People, and then I could change this to Sabrina or to C-May. I can actually transfer ownership. So if you are changing the courses that you teach, or at the end of the year, if you're not going to be joining us for the following year, this is how I have teachers transfer these to their department heads. Okay, hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions.